Samsung tablet won't turn on. Given that, the black screen without signs of life spells failure, though you've tried to reboot it several times. Some pages may give suggestions accordingly by offering a somewhat convoluted series of steps. Part 1. Why won't my Samsung tablet turn on? Physical damage to the Galaxy Tab results in hardware issues. Your Galaxy Tab's battery is low to or below the warning value. The battery is nearly scrapped and cannot be recharged. The device is frozen on a black screen. Part 2. Samsung tablet won't turn on? Try the 11 quick fixes. Fix 1. Charge your tablet. Fix 2. Use new charging accessories. Fix 3. Check for battery status. Fix 4. Run a power cycle. Fix 5. Reboot the device to safe mode. Fix 6. Check errors with the computer. Fix 7. Check for hardware damage. Fix 8. Wipe cache partition. Fix 9. Reset the Samsung tablet. Fix 10. Use the device maintenance feature. Fix 11. Factory reset Samsung.